Farm machinery, read to you by Miss Z, preschool teacher. Tractor. The main workhorse on the farm is the tractor. They are used for a variety of jobs such as pulling trailers, cultivators, planters, and balers. The engine provides power to all of the four large wheels to give extra grip. Cultivator. Fields are prepared for planting with a cultivator. It is towed behind a tractor. The discs and spiked wheels turn the soil, getting air into it and pulling up weeds. Spreader. This machine is used for spreading seeds or fertilizer. Seeds or pellets of fertilizer are dropped onto spinning discs, which scatter them onto the soil. Planter. Planters are towed behind a tractor to sow crops through a field. They lay the seed down in rows in a very precise pattern. Harvester. This combine harvester is one of many different types of harvesters. It combines the three separate operations of reaping, threshing, and winnowing into one process. Grain cart. As the combine moves along, it is accompanied by a grain cart, pulled by a tractor. The grain from the combine is poured into the cart using an auger. Baler. After the harvester has finished, the leftover stalks lying on the ground are collected and compressed into bales of hay and bound with twine. Stacker. Bales of hay are picked up from the field and stacked onto trailers by a self-powered machine called a bale stacker. Mixer. This strange machine is used for accurately weighing, mixing, and distributing measured rations for cattle. Transportation. Farmers use special vehicles to carry themselves and their animals. 4x4 pickup trucks are used to get around and to tow small trailers such as horse trailers.